Okay guys, as I said before, let's continue now with our present simple facts habits, as you know, and I would now like to look at the present simple when using or giving job facts or information about your job. And there are thousands of examples, there are millions of possibilities, okay, by far too many for this video. But you will hear a lot of the present simple and past simple in future videos. Okay, maybe we will be looking at another grammar point, but you'll still hear the present simple. An example, okay, although I am not an expert on or of economics, I attend seminars often, regularly, generally, sometimes, always. Okay, if you remember guys, we talked about that in the first video. Okay, the reason I made a point here was a lot of people asked me, Carl, how do I say this in American? How do I say this in English? How do I say this in Australian? Honestly guys, my personal opinion is English is English. Yes, we have accents. Yes, we have slang. Slang is very specific for a certain area, okay, or for a certain country, or for a certain state, okay, but English remains English. So far in my life, I have never bumped into an Australian or an American or a Canadian or a South African that I did not understand, okay. Yeah, there are differences, and yes, we have accents, but hey guys, don't worry about it so much, okay? Prepositions on, of, okay? Just a small point. Next example, the company doesn't expect me to work at Christmas, okay? Which is good, who wants to work at Christmas? And Xmas, something we sometimes say. You maybe have seen this on a Christmas card somewhere, or maybe you've heard people say it. Okay, good. The company doesn't expect me to work at Christmas, and what's this? Well, this is a so-called tag question. Okay, so I take a positive statement, yeah, okay, and I basically turn it into a negative question. Okay, we will look at tag questions in detail in a later video, but this is just so you have seen it, heard it, okay? So the first part is the company doesn't expect me to work at Christmas, which is good. Who wants to work at Christmas? Okay, maybe for double or 3 times the money? Nah, who wants to work at Christmas? Or I put this on the end. So the company doesn't expect me to work at Christmas, do they? Okay, so yeah, just a small point guys, we'll look at that at a later date. Another example, our company's headquarters is in the UK. That was my mistake guys, sorry, nobody's perfect, no, not even me. Okay, so no, the company's headquarters is in the UK. The company's headquarters is in Los Angeles. The company's headquarters is in Minnesota. The company's headquarters is in Vienna. Okay? Just take your K out. Good, job done. Last point, or last example for today. My position in the company is project manager, and I am responsible for. Okay? All you have to do is take out project manager, put in your position, your title, job done. Okay, so like the position, my position in the company is managing director in my company. Okay, my position in the company is project engineer. Okay, whatever your title is, put it in, fits. Okay. And I am responsible for, everybody is responsible for something in their job. You just have to look and find out what your responsibilities are, okay? So maybe you are responsible for finances. Maybe you are responsible for engineering. Maybe you are responsible for landscapes. Maybe you are responsible for cooking. Whatever, guys, okay? yeah, that was a quick look or a brief look at the present simple, okay, with a little bit of concentration on business. Okay, we will in later videos be going into certain points in more detail, but for now, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give us a like, thumbs up, or even better, yeah, you can, what's the word? I've forgotten the word. Subscribe. Yeah, okay. So even better, subscribe, guys. Yeah. Until then, yeah, thank you for tuning in. Okay. Look after yourselves, be safe, and yeah, bye for now.